Alright guys, we're out here at the job we were doing Monday, where we were pulling the weeds for the flower bed to get it ready for mulch. We've got the front done, just got to be blown off. But let me go ahead and show you the front. This is what we got. We also weed eat and edge this yard. He cuts it himself. So we're going to go ahead and we'll blow all this excess mulch out. And I still have the edging to do, and that's it. I've already weed eated, but this is the front. I think it turned out really well, and I've already, like I said, I've already weed eated. So all I have to do now is edge the driveway and this walkway right here. And Jeff and Andre are in the backyard doing the flower bed in the back. But we're almost done. It rained on us today, so there's no mowing. It rained a pretty good bit this morning. Just came out of nowhere. I didn't even think it was supposed to rain. But we're almost done with this. But we'll be mowing tomorrow and Friday, and then we have like a little brush job to take care of. But that's it. This is what we're doing today. Once they're done with the backyard and I'm done with the edging and blowing, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, guys.
Can't see. So you can't see? Yeah, I can't see where I need it.
Farmer Andre's got you.
He said he wished I was here. Now I'm here. Yep. You up to what? 293 or 263?
I don't remember what I'm at.
I think it's like 263 or 293, one of them. I know it's more, it was like 216, 219 last time.
I can't remember.
Just keep filming, you know, so keep filming Dre. They're gonna go up.
Dre sweating.
It's hot. We're at a cool 90 degrees, y'all.
They don't know nothing about that southern heat.
They don't know nothing about it. And the AC on compressors and stuff.
Alright guys, we got it edged up and we got the flower bed done. Didn't take us very long, but we got it done. The front looks very pretty. We edged this up here, weed eated. Looks really good. Looks really nice. Now, just let me show you the back. Back's really pretty. It didn't take us too long, and we got it knocked out. Y'all saw that drill on yesterday's video. The reason we got that was to change the blades on the mowers, because Monday I tried to do it with a wrench. We normally do it with a wrench, and the blade was on so tight that I had raised up the deck. Excuse me, one second. Woo! Ooh, I thought thought I was gonna sneeze. I had raised the deck up so hard, or so high, because I was trying to put tension on it to loosen it, and the deck came back down and smacked me in the head. The wheel on the caster on the front of the deck did. So, and it didn't even loosen it. So I was like, well, we're gonna have to get a drill. We got a drill, and that thing is pretty powerful, and it does the job like a piece of cake. But here's the back. Like I said, we weed eated and edged, you know, everything. So, but here's the back flower bed. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. But I think it turned out really well. I think it looks really good. Took us a while to pull all the weeds, but it looked great. It looks really great. That's it for today's video. No, it wasn't much, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. This is all we got to do today since it rained. But we'll have mowing and stuff to do tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching.